Action.
All right, we're gonna start cleaning this section of the roof right here. Again, we've got the gutter cane with water flowing through the gutters and the downspouts. So those are staying nice and watered down. Nevin's my ground guy. He's gonna make sure that this bush right here is well watered. The fence as well. We don't want to get any overspray on the fence and brighten it up accidentally. I'll also be catching any overspray that I get on the side of the building, especially on the windows. Another thing to keep in mind is if I'm up there spraying, as the sprayer, I have to know if I accidentally make a shot over top of the roof, and we got to know if there's something in back that we need to be concerned about. Right now, I think we're in good shape. So he's going to start watering. He's going to water the whole time I'm spraying. I'll communicate with him and tell him when I'm spraying along the edge, and then you can kind of see the spray pattern of how I spray the solution up on the roof.